Joe Rogan showed the surprising image taken by the Webb telescope, which finally revealed the shape of Oumuamua. In 2017, astronomers discovered a strange object moving through the solar system. This is Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to visit us. But what do the photos of Oumuamua reveal about its true nature, and could they change everything we know about the world? Dive into the details and learn what this interstellar visitor has to say about the world beyond our solar system. In 2017, the world was shocked and the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii continued to observe unusual phenomena around the world. Something else: this model is the first known to visit our solar system. When Oumuamua was discovered, there were many questions among scientists and almost everyone who heard about it. There's a good reason people are wondering. It's proof that objects outside our solar system can roam freely. And now the James Webb Space Telescope has captured a stunning image of the object that reveals its true nature. This object has very different properties that set it apart from the comets and asteroids that scientists know how to detect. First, it looks different. Most of the space rocks we encounter are round and irregular in shape, but Oumuamua is tall and thin. A rock is the length of a football field but a fraction of the width. Because of its path in space, the proto-Earth will enter our solar system at a speed and angle that it is not here. It moves quickly and flies away. Like most space debris that comes from us, it has yet to be recorded in orbit around the Sun. One of the most puzzling things about Oumuamua is the lack of comets. Most comets leave a trail of gas and dust behind them, but Oumuamua doesn't. Even though it's so close to the Sun, you'd think a comet would start getting dirty. That's a big sign that this isn't your average comet or asteroid. The arrival of Oumuamua is like nothing seen before. The star's origin, unusual shape and unexpected behavior have everyone from professional astronomers to space enthusiasts asking, what exactly is Oumuamua? Where did it come from and what does the world outside our solar system look like? How did the James Webb Space Telescope see this unusual object? The James Webb Space Telescope is an important technology for space exploration. Named after James E. Webb, the first NASA administrator named during the Apollo missions, this telescope represents the next leap in space observations. The journey from concept to final frontier is a story of teamwork, creativity, and the human spirit. The James Webb Space Telescope was born in the late 1990s as a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope and wanted to look deeper into the universe than ever before. Built through an international collaboration led by NASA, with significant contributions from the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency, the telescope was designed to answer key questions about the stars and the universe's first galaxies, the formation of solar systems and the potential for life. Other places at the heart of the telescope's capabilities is its suite of advanced instruments and a massive 6.5-meter primary mirror composed of 18 hexagonal segments made from gold-coated beryllium. This mirror is significantly larger than Hubble's, allowing the telescope to collect more light and observe objects in far greater detail. The telescope's design enables it to observe in the infrared spectrum, which is essential for looking back in time to see the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. As their light has been stretched into infrared wavelengths by the expanding universe. The telescope is equipped with four main instruments: the near-infrared camera, the near-infrared spectrograph, the mid-infrared instrument, and the fine guidance sensor/near-infrared imager and slitless spectrograph. Each instrument plays a unique role, from capturing detailed images to analyzing the chemical composition of celestial objects. One of the James Webb Space Telescope's most groundbreaking features is its ability to observe the atmosphere of exoplanets, potentially identifying signs of habitability or even life. By analyzing the light from stars as it passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere, the telescope can detect chemical signatures that may indicate the presence of water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and other key molecules. The telescope's path to the stars was not without its challenges, including technical hurdles, budget overruns, and delays. However, after years of meticulous planning, construction, and testing, the telescope was finally launched on December 25, 2021, aboard an Ariane 5 rocket from French Guiana. The telescope then embarked on a month-long journey to its operational orbit at the second Lagrange point, about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, where it remains shielded from the sun's heat and light, providing an unobstructed view of the universe. Since its creation, it has begun to fulfill its promise, providing amazing images and data that will change our understanding of the world. Past achievements include capturing detailed views of distant galaxies, observing the atmospheres of exoplanets and peering into the dust clouds in the sky where new stars and planetary systems are born. As Oumuamua entered space, the James Webb Space Telescope was the best way to get a closer look. Its combination of instruments and focus on infrared light allows it to gather information about shape, size, and structure that other telescopes cannot. This telescope's collection of observations of Oumuamua is an important space project. Scientists and space enthusiasts are on the edge of their seats, waiting to see what the telescope will reveal. This prediction has broader implications. It's an opportunity to gain knowledge that can be applied to others like this, and shed light on the building blocks of other solar systems. It is a test of our ability to observe and understand the properties of other star systems using the most advanced instruments at our disposal. What's so amazing about it? Ever since Oumuamua traveled through our solar system, it has been the star of many scientists. One of the biggest arguments is the style. At first some thought it looked like a cigarette, long and thin, but then a new camp began to argue that Oumuamua was more like a pancake, flat and wide. This goes to the heart of understanding Oumuamua's journey through space and the forces encountered along the way. By digging deeper, scientists have come up with ideas about the formation of Oumuamua and its origin. One of the hypothesized nitrogenous sugars. According to this, Oumuamua is a chunk of nitrogen ice that broke off from a Pluto-like world in a distant star system. If true, this would explain its unusual acceleration as it passed by the Sun and tell us a bit about the neighborhood it came from. One of the most talked about theories is the idea that Oumuamua could be an artificial object, perhaps a probe sent by an advanced alien civilization. The speculation is fueled by its unusual acceleration as it passed through our solar system, which some scientists argue could be indicative of a light sail, a thin, wide surface propelled by solar radiation. While this theory leans more towards science fiction and lacks concrete evidence, it shows the huge impact Oumuamua has had on our imagination and our desire to find connections to other intelligent life in the universe. Another intriguing hypothesis suggests that Oumuamua may be a fragment of a broken planet, a planet-building block known to be a minor planet from another star system. The theory suggests that Oumuamua may have been a fragment of a larger celestial body, possibly torn apart by cosmic forces during a close encounter with a star or large planet. This event may explain its elongated shape and unusual orbit and reveal the violent activity that occurs in solar systems. The true nature of Oumuamua remains unclear. Each theory contributes to a broader understanding of what's happening in our world, but something as strange as Oumuamua is easy to figure out. Although Oumuamua is strange, jumping directly to external explanations without solid evidence is not science. Therefore, when we are putting the puzzle to Oumuamua, it is important to keep an open mind but keep it. The truth about this interstellar visitor is very unusual and does not belong in the world of science fiction. What new image captured by a telescope has the scientific world so excited? When James Webb turned the telescope to Oumuamua, hope was revealed. This is the first time we've had a close look at an interstellar object passing through our solar system. The photo we took is a view. For the first time, we see the old as something special with its own characteristics. It's a different level of detail to what we can get with conventional glasses. This is our first look at an object from another star system, and it looks exciting. This image and related data support or challenge many of the theories that have been published about Oumuamua.